Yo guys, what's up? I'm here in Tasty Trade today. We're looking at Spce, SPCE. So, stock has been doing better, alright, but they're still not at my strike. So, the option expires tomorrow, so I don't want to get stuck with another set of stocks, so I'm going to roll this forward another week. Alright, so here we go. Ooh, $1. That's pretty juicy. That's, okay, well, hold on. I'm at 34 and a half. Let's go down to 34. Okay, not quite as juicy. Let's see if we can really get this. 26 bucks. Alright, I'll take it. 24 something. Let's see, alright. Looks like it was filled. Alright guys, let's take a look. There we go, we're out another week and rolled it down and out for a credit. Alright guys, hopefully you guys are doing okay out there. Let me know how you're doing. Hopefully this stock's doing well for you. Be sure to subscribe and thanks for watching.